Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to get onto your child's unified classroom, which is where you will find all the information needed for our Friday online learning. So make sure you get yourself to our district webpage, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click the single sign-on arrow and enter in your child's username and password, which is found on the sticker note on their Chromebook. And it is also found on their homework folder. And then click Login. And then up here, I'm going to click the PowerSchool Unified Classroom. And I'm always going to click Sign In with Google. And then you're going to choose your child's Google email address, which will automatically pop up. Okay, and then up at the top in this red box, I want to click that drop down arrow and make sure that it says First Homeroom. Over here in the corner, we'll have the upcoming assignments, but you can ignore that because some of the assignments might be things that we are doing in class. So if you come over here to the left-hand side and click on Class Pages, okay, and then as of right now, I have 3 different pages set up. I've got our first grade homeroom page. So right here is just some information about our class. So if you click me, it gives a little about information about me, the teacher. And then this cloud, if you click that, it'll give us our classroom procedures. This gives us our class learning schedule. And then if you ever need to send me an email, you can click the contact me button. Over here on the other side, over here below that, we have our at-home reading tab and then our at-home math tab. And I'll always have the dates on there so you know which Friday it is for. So if I click my at-home reading tab, and our math tab is set up the exact same way, and it'll be set up the exact same way from here on out. So I've got my date up here. And then this is just a little blurb about what we learned for the week and what our kind of our focus is, especially in our video for Friday. These were our sight words that we reviewed, which were just some kindergarten sight words. And then we have things that you must do on Friday and things that you may do if you have some extra time. So things that you must do are watch the reading video and do the reading worksheet. So if you click this, a video will pop up that has a little quick learning video for reading, and then when you go to the math tab, there'll also be a little quick math video. If I click this worksheet down here, this will be their assignment after they watch the video. So if I click this, and then up here in the upper right hand corner, you're going to click the 3 little white dots and then click Take Assessment. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here and click the Accept button and click Continue. And then my assignment for the day should pop up. Okay, and then it just looks like this. So in each box, if you read the directions right up here, say each name, listen to the S sound, and write the letter S to show where you hear it. So for the first one, for example, is sock, and I hear this sound at the beginning, so I'll leave the second box blank. Okay, make sure that they scroll down and do all 6 of the problems, and then once they are done, click finish and submit, and then the assignment will come back to me. Okay, and then like I said, the math page is set up the exact same way. So if I come over to the left-hand side and click at home math, we have our little blurb. We have actually some online manipulatives for math, and all of those, when it loads, there's little clickable manipulatives that you can pull up on your computer. And these are the things that must be done, and these are the things that they may do when they finish. Okay, so if you guys have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Remember, if you come back to that first grade homepage over here, it will have my little contact bubble that you can click to contact me, and then also some other information too as well. And this will be a great page to kind of come back to because other things might be posted on here, other important information as we go through our year. Okay, thank you and hope that helped.